Hey everyone, it's Tyra. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I will be attempting the wet look. I honestly think I'm setting myself up, but I'm still gonna do it. So comment down below if you think this is going to be a fail, or if you think my types right here can achieve this wet look. Because honestly, I'm in the middle. Like, I don't think it's gonna be too bad, but I don't think it's gonna be the wet look. If it's not the wet look, then it's bad. Here's the thing, when my hair is wet, it doesn't look like the wet look. So the wet look kind of seems unrealistic for me because my hair is big even when it's wet. I'm done talking. I just want to do my hair because it's dripping everywhere. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But before I start doing my hair, if you aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. And if you haven't commented, comment if you think this is going to be a fail or if you think I am going to succeed. So let's get into this video. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. It is in these twists because I lift right and I detangle my hair before shampooing it. If you want to see my detangling routine, it will be linked down below and on the screen. If it's up, I think this video is going to go up before, so just turn on my post notifications so you will know when my detangling routine is up. I'm going to take all this twist out just so you can see how my hair is looking. So this is what we're working with. For my wet look, I'm gonna do a middle part. I've seen people do a pushback or a middle part. I'm a middle part girl, so it's just right for me to do a middle part. I'm just gonna take my conditioner by the Main Choice. This is their 3-in-1. I feel like I might need a thicker conditioner, but I'm gonna use this. Okay, that's barely on my hair. So I'm gonna work in small sections because I don't want my hair to dry up on me. I'm just going to saturate this with water because as you can see, it's already drying up on me. So I'm gonna spray with some water. And now taking the same leave-in by the Main Choice. So, I'm gonna use a lot of it. I feel like I may have put a little bit too much conditioner in. Ooh, wow. This is a lot. So now that the conditioner is applied, we are going to take the main ingredient, the key ingredient of the wet look, some gel. I'm using Eco Styler, the olive oil one, and I'm gonna take a lot of it. So I'm going to take this much Eco Styler gel. I feel like this is too much, but we doing it. This is how we're looking with the Eco Styler gel in the hair. Now I am just going to brush it through again. Oh my gosh, it's hard to do this. I'm just going to take a little bit more Eco Styler and put it on the roots just so it won't puff up. And I'm gonna take this bristle brush. I couldn't find my big brush, so stole this from my mom. I'm just gonna brush this through. Ooh, this hurt. I don't like this. We gonna save the brushing for the top because I don't like the way that feels. Moving on. Okay, so now moving on to the next section. We are just going to complete this process all over the head. feel like there's potential. Like, I feel like there's some potential for this wet look. I think it's gonna work out. I really think it's gonna work out. I feel like my hair's gonna be so stiff. I honestly feel like I'm gonna use this whole jar of Eco Styler. This side versus this side. Y'all see that? I can't see, but I don't think it looks too bad. Now it is time to do the last two sections. I'm just thinking about having to wash out all this Eco Styler gel. So I'm basically done. All I have to do are my edges. Start off with a full tub of Eco Styler and I almost finished it. I realized I didn't apply any mousse while doing this, but I feel like I'm gonna be good because I have so much Eco Styler in my hair. But just to be safe, I think I'm gonna use some mousse. I have a mousse by Laminate Choice and a mousse by Firm Care. I do not know which one I want to use. I'm gonna go with the main choice. So I'm taking this much mousse and I'm just going to apply it to the top. I feel like I'm using so many products by the main choice, but I just love their products, so I have a lot of their products. Now to do my edges, I'm using a new product. Well, it's new to me, it's not a new product, it's been out for quite some time. But this is a by the main choice and it is their Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Edge Control. It is, this stuff is, wow, okay. I'm gonna just apply it to the edges. I feel like I use too much. Swoop of the sideburn. I don't have baby hairs like that, so I'm not gonna force what's not there. I'm gonna just do my edges how I like them. I keep doing this because I feel like my hair is puffing up. So I'm about to tie this down because it needs to stay flat. So I got the first scarf on. I'm going to tie this up again because I feel like this part is going to puff up on me. And I don't want that. I don't know how to do this, to be honest. I feel like I want to tie it like this just to ensure that I'm going to do it. I'm gonna go get another scarf. I'm back with another scarf. I don't think I need the scarf, and to be honest, it's choking me. So maybe I can just tie it a different way. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. I do not know how long it's gonna take because I have these scarves on, and I feel like that's gonna prolong the drying process. So I will just be back when my hair is fully dry. So it's been about 3 hours. I know my hair isn't dry, but I just want to check on it. Yeah, I'm gonna check on it. Oh! I think I did that. Like, my hair isn't dry, but I know it's gonna look good. Like, if it doesn't look good, I'm gonna be shocked. I'm gonna just tie these scarves on and I'll be back when my hair is fully dry. So I think all my hair is dry. It's been about 18 hours, give or take. I went to sleep, been up for about 5 hours, and now we're here about to take these scarves off. So, let's take them off. Okay, so it doesn't look too puffed up. It's about 90% dry. It's not all the way dry. I thought it was gonna be stiff, but it ain't stiff. I feel like this look will be so cute once I do a little natural beat, put some earrings on. It's a look. I'm not mad at it. Like, it's very different from my big hair, but it's cute. I think I'm gonna do my makeup and then come back so you guys can get the whole look, see its full potential. So I'll be back. So this is the final look. I'm feeling it. Like, I feel like I should be on a beach right now. I should be on vacation somewhere sipping a pina colada. Like, I'm here for this. I did not think my hair could do the wet look, but it did it. It did it, and it's not stiff, so I'm here for it. My hair is like 95% dry. It's not gonna get any bigger than this. Like, it's the wet look. I did it. Just to finish it all off, I'm gonna take some of this Laminate Spray by Firm Care. I love this stuff, and I'm gonna just spray it. Ooh, I don't want to get on my makeup. If you've tried the wet look, let me know down below in the comments. If you haven't tried the wet look, are you gonna try it? Honestly, I would recommend doing the wet look at your own risk because it can either go good or bad. I think the key to achieving the wet look is a lot of gel, a whole lot of gel, because I basically use this whole tub of Eco Styler gel. So you're gonna need a lot of gel, and you're gonna need to secure your hair down for a while because it will puff up on you, and you will waste your time if you don't secure it down. So just use a lot of gel and secure your hair with a scarf or two. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. But don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye.